2024 BMW M4 Competition convertible. Super clean ride. It's like a red orangish color. Really sweet color. Got the black tips on there. Stock exhaust on the back end. It's got the stock muffler with the valve control on the back. We don't touch that. We're just trying to make it a little bit more aggressive today. So what we did, we racked it up, got rid of his stock resonator, which is over there, amplified it with some 3-inch pipe and a next pipe to equalize the flow. Because when you get rid of the resonators is where equalizing the flow in the midsection. So we got rid of both resonators, amplified the sound a little bit, and then popped the next pipe on there to maximize the performance. Like I said, we left the back end, valve control still intact, does have the black tips. Next upgrade will probably be a set of carbon fiber tips. But if you don't like the carbon, if you keep them black, they look pretty sweet. This is the stock resonator right here. 100% restrictive garbage, all right? 2 resonators on this BMW is too damn quiet. Everybody with the M4s and M3s wants a little bit more aggressive, so we knocked this out, pop an X pipe on there, call it a day. There are a bunch of other mid-pipe options, but they're usually a lot more expensive, and the custom X pipe we do at G Exhaust is definitely more affordable. So highly recommend the X pipe. Sounds about the same as every other mid-pipe out there. And if you have an M4, just hit us up. We got you guys. We're gonna drop it, crank it. Let me know what you think. So this is the interior on the brand new M4 Competition. Got the bucket seats, which is extremely sought after. Does have a carbon fiber backing, which is pretty awesome. This is one of the biggest upgrades on the M3s and M4s. So if you're looking for one, make sure it does have the bucket seats. This thing is awesome, all right? It's one of the biggest upgrades you can run on this car. Everything else is pretty much standard. You have night out packages and blackout packages and carbon fiber and glass roofs. This is the convertible. But the interior looks awesome. Got the BMW stitching across the whole car. The steering wheel looks badass with the red stripe on it, and this orange color, this red orange color really pops. So yeah, man, this is the interior on the M4 Competition convertible. So I'm gonna show you guys the outside real quick. So this is the exterior. Like I said, rad top convertible M4. Got the side vents, look pretty sick, and this, like I said, this color really pops. Got the black and orange reddish combination. I think it looks great, man. I mean, you don't see too many convertibles, M3s, M4s. This is one of the first ones we've worked on. Got the all black grille. Got the new BMW headlights, which looks sick. And yeah, man, the black package really makes everything pop. So if you got an M4, you got an M3, same car. Those G bodies really sound great with a mid pipe. We highly recommend them. We also are offering sponsorships for these cars on full titanium catbacks, usually about $8,000 to $9,000. We're getting for almost half price, guys. So if you're interested, hit us up. We have M3 systems, M4 systems, M5, M8s, you name it. We have them available. Also available for Mercedes, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, McLarens. We got you lined up. So if you're interested in the mid pipe, hit us up. G Exhaust Davey, G Exhaust Oakland Park. Like, comment, subscribe. We out, guys.